Welcome to the future, a world where artificial intelligence, AI, and humans are working closer than ever before. As we approach 2030, we're witnessing an unprecedented evolution in technology that will touch every aspect of human life, from the way we work and learn to how we receive healthcare, and even how we understand what it means to be human. Today, we'll explore the transformative journey humanity and AI will undertake over the next decade. Let's dive into the world of 2030 and see how AI will reshape the way we live, work, and thrive. Number 1. AI and the future of humans. The future of AI is one of integration, not domination. As outlined in the 2018 report, AI and the Future of Humans, experts believe that AI will enhance, not replace, human capabilities. Over the next decade, we're likely to see AI become a true partner to humans, assisting in everything from education to healthcare. One of the most fascinating aspects of this integration will be the rise of augmented intelligence. The idea that AI will enhance our decision-making abilities rather than make decisions for us. For example, imagine a future where AI provides real-time data during business meetings, allowing executives to make smarter, more informed decisions. Or think about how AI will help doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately by analyzing medical data in ways humans simply can't. This evolution isn't just about practical applications. AI will also challenge our philosophical understanding of what it means to be human. As AI systems become more advanced, we'll need to grapple with questions about consciousness, agency, and the rights of AI systems themselves. In addition, we'll need to address the digital divide, the gap between those who have access to AI technologies and those who don't. Experts worry that if this divide widens, it could exacerbate inequality on a global scale. By 2030, policymakers will need to work hard to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed evenly across all societies. Number 2, 7 shifts reshaping organizations. In the corporate world, AI and automation are bringing about a seismic shift. According to the Deloitte report, Journey to 2030, 7 major transformations will redefine organizations. These include the rise of remote workforces, AI-driven decision-making, and a shift toward a more flexible gig economy. Let's take a deeper look at some of these shifts. First, remote work. AI is allowing companies to operate without needing a central physical location. By 2030, many organizations will be completely virtual, relying on AI to coordinate complex tasks across teams spread out across the world. Next, AI-driven decision-making. Companies are already using AI to help make important decisions about hiring, finance, and strategy. But by 2030, AI will take on an even more central role, analyzing massive datasets in real time to provide insights that would take humans weeks or months to uncover. Finally, let's talk about the rise of the gig economy. AI is making it easier for workers to find short-term, flexible employment. By 2030, up to 40% of the workforce could be freelancers, working on a project-by-project basis rather than holding traditional jobs. Number 3, AI's impact on jobs and employment. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI is its impact on jobs. Reports from the World Bank, McKinsey, and the Pew Research Center show that by 2030, millions of jobs could be affected by automation. However, it's important to understand that AI won't just eliminate jobs. It will also create new opportunities. For example, we'll see a surge in demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and robotic engineers. In fact, a study by McKinsey predicts that up to 50 million new jobs will be created in these fields by 2030. But the real challenge will be helping workers transition from old jobs to new ones. Reskilling will be key. Governments and companies are already investing billions in reskilling programs. In countries like Germany and Singapore, for example, entire industries are being retooled to focus on AI, robotics, and automation. Workers are being trained to handle more complex, creative tasks that machines simply can't do. We're also seeing the rise of hybrid jobs, roles that combine human creativity with AI precision. In fields like architecture, design, and even journalism, AI tools will help humans do their jobs faster and better. By 2030, we'll have a workforce that blends human ingenuity with machine learning. Number 4, AI, education and skills. Education will also be transformed by AI. By 2030, classrooms will look very different from what we see today. AI-powered learning platforms will allow students to learn at their own pace, receiving personalized lessons based on their strengths and weaknesses. AI won't just personalize education, it will also make it more accessible, with AI translating lessons into multiple languages and adapting teaching methods to different learning styles. Education will become more inclusive. Remote learning will also become more common, allowing students from around the world to access top-tier education. This shift will also change the role of teachers. Rather than delivering one-size-fits-all lessons, teachers will become mentors and guides, helping students navigate their personalized learning journeys. Number 5, health and AI. Healthcare is another area where AI will make a huge impact. By 2030, AI will revolutionize diagnostics, allowing doctors to detect diseases earlier and more accurately. We're already seeing AI systems that can analyze medical images, spot anomalies, and recommend treatments. Predictive healthcare will also be a game changer. By analyzing a patient's medical history, AI can predict potential health issues before they become serious. This means doctors will be able to intervene earlier, leading to better outcomes and lower healthcare costs. AI will also play a critical role in drug discovery, speeding up the process of finding new treatments and vaccines. As we saw with COVID-19, AI can analyze vast datasets to identify promising candidates for new drugs. By 2030, AI will make it possible to discover treatments for diseases that were once thought incurable. Number 6, future predictions. Visionaries like Ray Kurzweil believe that by 2030, we'll be on the verge of merging with AI. Brain-computer interfaces will allow us to connect our minds directly to machines, unlocking new levels of intelligence and creativity. This human-AI hybridization could lead to some incredible advancements, from boosting our memory and cognitive abilities to enhancing our physical health. Imagine being able to instantly access any information from the internet, or controlling devices with just a thought. It's a future that sounds like science fiction, but it could be just a few years away. However, this future also raises ethical questions. If some people can afford to enhance themselves with AI while others cannot, what will that do to society? Will it create a new kind of inequality, one based on access to technology? These are questions we'll need to answer as we move closer to 2030. Conclusion: the future of AI is full of both promise and challenge. By 2030, AI will change the way we live, work, and understand the world around us. It will be up to us to shape this future in a way that benefits all of humanity, ensuring that AI enhances our lives without compromising our values. What do you think the future holds for AI and humanity? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of tomorrow.